guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is a Bombay and Cedar box. This has been one of my favorite subscription boxes lately. It is a lifestyle subscription box. It has essential oils in it as well as some, just like self-care kind of stuff, but I always really love this box. It is definitely on the pricier side. It is $49.95 a month plus shipping. In the US, the shipping I think is like $6.95, and then if for Canada, it's like $19 or something. You can get discounts if you prepay for, months in advance. Also, I believe that I have a discount code for you, so make sure you check the description box for that. Okay, let's see what's in this box. So this is actually the April box. I realize that it's May, but I think that my mailman lost the box or something because I just got it. So, I don't know. Something in here smells really good. Ooh, and right away I see some snacks. Somersault's Sunflower Seed Crunchy Bites. Ooh, these look good. I'm excited to try these. In fact, maybe I'll just eat one right now. Should I eat this? I should eat this. Oh, they're tiny little cookies. Interesting. Okay, definitely tastes like sunflower seeds, but like chocolate cookies with sunflower seeds. Interesting. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, my little thank you. So if you share your box on social media, they will send you a little thank you present. So let's see, what is this? Oh, it's an essential oil. Rosemary. Today wants you. It wants your energy, it wants your enthusiasm, because there is magic to be made. There are sparks to ignite. There are huge possibilities hidden in plain sight. Today wants you to turn up the volume on the good things, the important things, the wonderful things that you can already see. Yes, you. What is this? I still don't even know what this is, but that was cute. Yes, you. Bring these with you. Opportunities will present themselves. Be on the lookout. If and when the time is right, pass this message on. I wonder if you're supposed to give these to people, just on your daily journey through life. Because they say different, cute, empowering things. It is so, so good that you are here. Yes, you. You mattered even more than you know. Yes, you. Don't forget you are loved. Do you have any idea how remarkable you truly are? Good things are here today for you. It's a better world just because you're in it. These are really sweet. That's a cute, pay it forward kind of a sweet thing. Yeah, like if you were somewhere and somebody just sort of inspired you to be like, yeah, I'm glad you're here. Here's a little card to tell you so. I don't know, kind of an interesting idea though. That's really cool. Okay, what else is in here? Tailfeathers Flushable Derriere Wipes. Woohoo! Oh, you guys. These are actually, I'm really excited about these. I know that sounds so crazy, but you would not believe the amount of baby wipes I go through, and you can't flush baby wipes, and I still, for some reason, I never get the flushable wipes. I'm actually really excited about this. Life with children, eh? Veggie Brush, the ring. Oh, that's kind of cool. Nice. A little veggie brush. Oh, I like it. Activated charcoal body wash. CB & Co. Skin detoxifier. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, wow. That smells really good. Nice. It's so funny because I actually have a charcoal body wash from Alba Botanicals, whatever it's called, in my shower right now that I've been using. Ooh, and Pocket Aroma Personal Diffuser. I think you always get some sort of a diffuser in these boxes, because you get the essential oils, and then you gotta use them somehow, right? Because I remember I have a diffuser pen. Oh, this is cool. Oh, so it's got this little thing, and then it's got a squeezy. So you can just squeeze it into the air or something. Huh, that's really cool actually. I like that. Are these my essential oils? My Bombay and Cedar oils? Yes, they are. Let's see, what do we have this month? We have lime. Oh, that sounds nice. And spearmint. That smells like gum. That smells really good. Whoa, that's seriously limey. Ooh, that smells so refreshing. I think I like lime better than lemon, because lemon always smells like furniture polish or cleaning supplies, but lime has that same citrus refreshing kind of a thing, but it doesn't smell like cleaning supplies. Oh, and here's the cards. Okay, so Spearmint Essential Oil. Benefits: speeds wound healing, disinfectant, relieves stress, regulates menstruation, insecticide, help treat asthma. Blends well with basil, eucalyptus, lavender, rosemary, and jasmine. Oh, interesting. Okay, and then the lime essential oil benefits, cures infections, prevents viral infections, cures toothaches, reduces fever, promotes blood coagulation, effective disinfectant, prevents signs of aging. Blends well with clary sage, lavender, neroli, and ylang ylang. What is this? Oh, it's a Veggie Wash. Nice, you can use that with your little ring scrubber thing. And it comes with a little spray thing so you can actually like spray it on your veggies. Helps produce last up to 200% longer when used as directed. Oh, that's nice. Inhibits browning on cut fruit like apples and potatoes, enhances appearance and flavor of fruit and veggies. Okay, so you spray it and then wait 2 minutes and then rinse, or spray it and put it in the fridge, and then when you're ready to eat it, rinse it. Oh. I'm so excited to use that, actually. And then the final thing in here, Mighty Mist, a mini humidifier. That's exciting. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. It's just adorable. This is so cute. Eek. So wait a minute, do you put like a water bottle in here? Hang on, I gotta find, you do. You put a water bottle in here. I am so excited about this. I probably wouldn't use this at home very often, but when I travel, this would be so cool, you know, because you can just bring this tiny little thing with you and just get like a plastic water bottle, screw it on the top, and you've got a tiny little humidifier. Wow, that's really cool. I super love this. How neat, because I love my humidifier, I swear. You know, what with like my dry skin and allergies and everything, and I always have one in my kids' room too because they're always coughing and stuff. So wow, what a fun box. I am telling you, Bombay & Cedar is one of the best boxes out there. Yes, it's expensive, but it is amazing. So it would also make a really fantastic gift. Okay, well, I will leave all of the information as well as my discount code, so definitely check out for that. This is so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!